Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. I've now overall hit 55 sales on Zazzle, and today I want to talk about my June sales on Zazzle. Zazzle has become one of my best performing platforms. As you might know, I've increased my royalties recently, and I think I will probably increase them further because I don't only see more royalties, I also see more sales month after month. And I'm really happy about that. Now, we had 20 sales in June, or I had 20 sales in June compared to 19 sales in May, and I'm really happy about that because May had one more day as a month, and yeah, it is my best performing month so far on Zazzle. So far May had been my best month. I think before that it was April, and now June. So hopefully July will see a further increase. But even if not in the number of sales, hopefully in the value, because I have with the effect of the 20th of June, I have increased my royalties from historically I had some royalties set at 5%, 7.5%. But they've all now been changed to 15, which is the maximum that Zazzle recommend. I probably think about going up to 20%, maybe even 25%, because below that it's not really making a significant, doesn't have a significant impact. So, however, since those have been increased, I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sales. So I think it works. However, 3 of these articles were just sort of like greeting cards. But what is actually sold? So I just want to talk about a few of the niches. As you know, if you follow my channel, I'm doing mainly evergreen niches. And yeah, some of the niches, just to give you an idea, were for a dentist. Yeah, so just sort of the job niche. In this case, a dentist. Then I had a bicycle design. I had a gaming design. I had something about a cat dad. So a dad who's a cat owner. And then also a surfing design, and also, which was possibly contributing to the best month, was I sold a couple of or a few of the 4th of July designs that I created for the US Independence Day. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah, so far Zazzle has really become my best performing platform. I know that a few of you guys have asked me about creating a tutorial about uploading to Zazzle. I did one a month ago, but I think since then Zazzle have changed a few things because you can now upload easier. So there will be a tutorial coming soon. I will make one. I think Zazzle is a bit underestimated in the print-on-demand space. Many people talk about Redbubble, even though I think Redbubble is really not great. Yeah, it's okay. It's like the basic, and if you start, it's probably worth starting on Redbubble to learn it and everything. But I think you can make better gains or better side income on other platforms because Redbubble is just completely overpopulated. Spreadshirt is another good one, and then obviously Merch by Amazon. But yeah, I'm really happy. I will see how it's going in the next few weeks, and then I might increase my royalties even further from the 20th of July, because in Zazzle you can only increase them once per month. So I might do that going forward. Now, in terms of what were the best selling products, I talked about that in another video as well. Most of these that I sold this month were either greeting cards or just black t-shirts. So they are selling really well. As you might know, most of my designs are optimized for a dark background. So yeah, I continue to upload to Zazzle, really excited about Zazzle, where other platforms start to annoy me really. I think today I received another one of my designs was taken down from TeePublic, again without sort of any explanation. They just referred to their terms of use. Honestly, it wasn't anything. Their terms of use are anyway rubbish. No explanation. So again, last time when they took one of my designs down, that was because someone filed a copyright complaint or trademark, whatever it is. But that phrase that I put on that design wasn't trademarked at all in no country. And I asked a few questions back to TeePublic, and they haven't replied to me, and that's now 2 weeks. This website is just not worth it, and in my opinion. So I continue to go with Zazzle, but again, it's just a risk that these platforms here, like Zazzle, like Redbubble, even like Merch by Amazon, if they ban your account, they can just do it whenever they want. even if they don't have any reason for it, they can just do it. So I will start to focus on Etsy more again, because on Etsy I will do some more advertising then probably, and the campaign model. And then I will, in the next step, probably from next year, it might take a while, start to set up my Shopify store. Because I want to get more independent of these websites. I've got a few best sellers, so I want to put these onto the store. Not everything, but you know, the best sellers and everything. So that'd be good. And then we'll see. So yeah, hopefully that update was useful to you. If you liked it, please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And then I hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye.